Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can change brightness in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Modern Warfare, then just click Options right here. And now you're gonna see, like, click here on General, and you're gonna see brightness here. And you can change it to whatever you want. I like to have it around 70, but it's up to you which one you choose. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. So again, you go to Options, General, and you're gonna see right here, brightness. So have a great day and goodbye.